Teddy's not sure what to make of all of this, huh? Because Sweetie went over in his cage by accident because Beanie's got a little thrown off. And there's Squeakies. And there's a smart one making a mess on the floor because she found the cockatiel's seeds, because none of the other birds get seeds. Come on, sweetie. It's okay, Teddy. It's okay. Come on out, sweetie. Come on. Hi. Uh-oh. I think Jelly Bean's trying to get... Oh my God, Jelly Bean's gonna try to come in this cage. Hi, Beanies. Hi, Teddy. Sweetie, you're not... Teddy's a little nervous, okay? You're invading his home. Hi. Go ahead, Teddy. Step up. Sweetie, you're always afraid of other birds. You're not afraid of bigger birds. That's your problem. Hi. Shh. It's okay. Step up. Yes. It's okay. That's just squiggles up there. Hi. Sweetie, are you jealous of Teddy's big home, huh? He has such a bigger home than you do. Not that much bigger, though. Hey, Teddy. Okay. You want to come out, Teddy? Here, you want to come out? Go ahead. See? You're making Teddy nervous. He wants to come out. It's okay, Teddy. That's just Squiggles. I don't know where Squiggles is going. Step up. Oh, Squiggles went back to her cage. Step up. Step up. Hi. Step up. Step up. And then you slide back down. Sweetie, you're making me nervous because you just keep coming closer to Teddy. I don't know how he's going to respond to you. Good boy, Teddy. Good boy. Look at this. Hi. Hello. You checking up? Are you jealous? Because Teddy's getting some attention. Holy cow. Look at Sweetie coming over. Hi. Uh-oh. This can't be good. You guys are going to trap him. Hey. 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 You're jealous, Jelly Bean. You are jealous. Jelly Bean. Sweetie moves pretty good for a handicapped bird, huh? Good girl. Oh, it's just Delilah. Trying to eat all of Squiggle's seed. Come on, Delilah. You know you're not allowed to have seed. It's okay, Teddy. I'm sorry. Hey, you. Is Delilah trying to eat your food? Huh? Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're fluffed up. You're happy. Look at you. You're so happy to be in a different cage. You want to shack up with another dude, huh? You getting sick of Jelly Bean? Uh-oh, where's Delilah? Oh, there she is.